How to make Snapchat account private. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Snapchat account private. To make your Snapchat account private, you will need to adjust several privacy settings. For that, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you land on this homepage, here at the top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to locate your profile icon or Bitmoji. Tap on it, and once you reach to this page, at the top right, you'll be able to see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it, and here in this settings page, you will need to scroll down until you find Privacy Control section. This is where you can customize various settings. From here, tap on this Contact Me option and inside it, select Friends option. Tap on OK, and this ensures that only your friends can send you snaps or messages. After that, return back to Privacy Control page. Here, tap on View My Story option. Under it, choose Friends Only. If you want to block specific friends from seeing your story, then you can select this Custom option and choose the people, then tap on this Block option. This will block those people from viewing your story. After that, again return back to Privacy Control page and here tap on See My Location option. Under it, here you'll be able to see Ghost Mode. Tap on the Ghost Mode and enable this toggle button. If you don't want anyone to see your location, you can turn on this option. By doing so, your friends won't be able to see your location on Snapchat. After that, again return back to the Privacy Control page and here tap on See Me in Quick Add option. Under it, here tap on this checkbox and disable it. This will prevent you to appear in other users' Quick Add suggestions. After that, again return back to the previous page, and further, if you want to adjust settings related to comments and who can view your contacts, you can tap on this comment settings and inside it choose Manually Approve option. By making these adjustments, this will enhance your privacy on Snapchat. So by following these steps, you can successfully make your Snapchat account private. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.